Keep in mind, to get 50% of discount for Amazon Prime membership, your age need to be 18 until 24 years old, or you are a student in the university. And then to get it, you want to go to the Google search, and then you want to search for Amazon Prime Student, and then you want to click on amazon.com/Amazon Student, which will take you to this specific page. And then you want to click right here on the Join Prime for 18 to 24 years old. And then here you can verify yourself as a student or verify as a young adult. And then before you pay for the discounted Prime membership, you will get 6 months free of the Amazon Prime. And then after that, you will have to pay $7 per month, or you can get 50% off from the original price. So you just need to choose to verify yourself either as a student or as a young adult. After that, you want to fill up all the requirement information. And then at the bottom, you want to click right here on the Try Prime for young adults. And as you can see, after the trial ends, the Prime membership for young adults will be on $7 per month after the 6-month trial ends until you cancel it. Or if you are verify yourself as a university student, the 50% discount will be up until a total of 4 years. Or if you are verify yourself as the young adult, the discount will be still on until you reach the age of 25. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to get 50% off discount for Amazon Prime membership. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.